Are you searching for the best pasta bowls? You are in the right place for getting the valuable information on the best pasta bowls. We recommended the top 5 best pasta bowls in this video. All of them are maintaining quality. If you want to buy the best pasta bowls, we think the list will be very helpful to you. Number 1. Lee Tussi Pasta Bowls. The Lee Tussi Pasta Bowls Reactive Gas Ceramic Salad Bowl set provides you with 4 matching bowls. Each bowl has 45 ounce capacity and measures 8.5 inches in diameter and is 2.5 inches high. This helps to eliminate slip, especially if you have young children at home. The solid ceramic build of these bowls help to make them especially sturdy. They are also treated with a thick glaze to make them easy to clean by hand or in the dishwasher. These bowls features a classic style that is also very durable. The timeless art will be the perfect addition to your kitchen counters and cabinets. Number 2. Curly Winter Frost White Bowls. This 20-ounce bowl is widely used in restaurants for its classic and stylish restaurant looking and also perfect coordinate in the navy. These pasta bowls come up with a simple flat design without a fancy outlook, but the bowl is effective for its use of pasta, soup, salad, rice and so on. With an affordable price, you are getting an excellent product. This is also lightweighted, manufactured with triple layer strong glass made it durable. This chip resistance unit is completely dishwasher safe, placing the bowl directly to the microwave oven. You can bake your pasta as each set is fully oven and microwave safe. Number 3. Bien Porcelain Pasta Salad Bowls. These pasta bowls by Bien come into a set of 3 and are created from high-grade porcelain. They can be washed in the dishwasher to make cleanup a breeze, but also simple to wash by hand. The bowls are extra wide and high, which makes them ideal for filling up when guests are over, but can also be used for everyday family dinner. In addition to being safe for the dishwasher, these elegant bowls are also safe for the use in the microwave when you need to do some reheating or leftovers or side dishes. They also offer plenty of room with a capacity of 65 ounces. Feature a safe personal grade construction that can be used in microwave, oven and refrigerator. Number 4. Wide and Shallow Porcelain Salad and Pasta Bowls. The Teresa Porcelain Salad Bowls comes as a set of 6. They are matte white and measure 7.7 inches wide by 2 inches high. The professional grade porcelain materials is naturally non-stick. This helps to make these bowls very quick and easy to clean by hand. The bowls feature a stackable design with an especially stable bottom. This helps to eliminate the risk of slips and match. These bowls are designed to hold up to 24 ounces of food. While the bowls are reported to be oven safe, you may want to avoid exposing them to extreme temperature. The porcelain materials is prone to cracking if it gets too hot. Number 5. Valeria and Boch Don Piano Pasta Bowls. These pasta bowls comes with different curve shape. Foodies take different feelings when they're taking their favorite Italian noodles. This ergonomically shaped kitchen utensil is ideal for 2 persons. The optimum depth is suitable for slush-free, clean enjoyment and comfortable used for salad. Smooth polished interior and exterior make it a classic look. Shock and impact resistant edges ensure secure handling while you feel fear about cutting fingers with other sharp-edged bowls. The stackable size for the kitchen is perfect to place in your kitchen cabinet. A dimension of 28.8 by 28.8 by 9.8 cm is a universal measurement that every chef loves to keep.